This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening the Google Docs mobile app. Make sure you sign in with the Google account you plan to use. Once done, enable sync so your files stay current across devices, and grant storage permissions so Docs can save offline copies. If you plan to dictate, allow microphone access now. This gets you ready to create and edit immediately, and it prevents permission prompts later when you need to work quickly on a document. You create or open a document and then use the mobile toolbar to apply formatting, bold, headings, lists, and alignment, so the document reads well on small screens. Once you tap the plus or edit icon, insert images or tables by choosing the Insert menu. This keeps structure intact. Make use of voice typing for fast text entry and turn on offline mode before you lose connection. These steps let you edit confidently. You finish by sharing the document. Tap Share, set permissions, and notify collaborators. Once collaborative edits begin, make sure everything syncs by pulling down to refresh or toggling offline and back online. This forces an immediate sync. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache first, then sign out and sign back in. As a last resort, reinstall the app. These steps ensure your mobile docs are current, editable, and recoverable when sync or permission issues occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.